Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today we're going to be talking about how to safely jack up your vehicle. First, you're going to need a jack and a jack stand, preferably, and also a brick or something to put behind your tire that's staying on the ground so the car doesn't roll, just for extra precautions. You can also use, if you look in the trunk of most vehicles, where the spare tire is, there's a scissor jack that looks something similar to this. These are not very safe. Only use these in emergencies, but I would not recommend using those. My jack is a Pittsburgh 1.5 ton jack that I got from Harbor Freight for about $75 or so. And here I got a 3 ton jack stand. We're gonna talk real fast about how to use your jack and stand, just in case you don't know. Your jack, you have a handle that you pull down and lifts the car up. To let the car back down, you twist the handle counterclockwise and it'll let it back down. Then you twist it clockwise to lock the hydraulic pump. The jack stand here also has a lock on it. You lift this up and your car rests right here in this groove. And when you want to let it down, you lift the car up off the stand a little bit and you pull this lever and it drops. So that's how you use those. Okay, once you have everything together and you're ready to start jacking up the vehicle, you want to locate your point to jack from. I like to use my pinch weld, which is this little seam right here. All cars have them. Once you have found the location you are going to jack your car up from, you can go ahead and start jacking. You want to make sure that your jack is centered and on your pinch weld, right where you want it to be.
What are you doing?
We're jacking up the car, baby.
The car? What? No.
Once you have jacked the car up high enough to where you can do what you need to do, you can slowly lower the car onto your jack stand. And pull your jack out from under the car. And there you go. You can do what you need to do safely. To put the car back on the ground, You just do the exact opposite. You lift up your car. Release your jack stand. Let the car down. Pull the jack out. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep coming back for more videos.